Quick video, y'all. Show how to make a whole song. I see most people, they be like messing around with these, doing all kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Some doing their beats and stuff like that. Let's put it back into the original way I had it at. Man, come on. Okay. That's 1 to 8 bars. Like that, but I'll make it into a whole song. Go menu, we'll press on, and get to the sequence section. Name all your sequences and everything. This video is kind of blurry. One aside. I mean, come on. You can see the section. Name your sequences, then put how many loops you want it to be, and then if it's 8 bars, you can put 8 bars 3 times. This is 8, 16, 24, and then you get to the hook for your sequence where all the music will be playing at the same time. You got 8 and 8, that's 16, that's 2 loops like that. They go 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and you got a whole song, boom, right there, a whole song. Now you convert it to sequence, boom. Convert it to sequence, put it to your blank sequence. I know this is mad blurry, I know, but I convert it to a sequence. Once you convert it to a sequence, press do it to a blank one. Once you do that, go back to your main, boom, it's gonna be on your blank one. This is the one, that's the regular one, okay? Now that is, and then I went to your blank one. I converted it to 4, I already did it a while back. I did it for purposes of the video, I'm trying to make it long. Once you got it there, you know what I'm saying, name your stuff. Now, go to the menu, then go to track media again. And all these are gonna be filled up like this, right? And you press overdub and hold overdub and play start at the same time, and then start it and just start doing your mix. But usually I push it like where I wanted to start from, and once I started from there, you can record it through the whole song, the way you finger drum, whatever, how you do it, if you do it like that. I do it like that so I can set it up the way I want to, because if I have an idea of how many bars it is, I can watch it on top and then bring them all in when it's time for the hook, like that. Now when you do it, when it's recorded and everything, this is how it starts off the sound. That's the intro. But you'll see what I did, how they disappear by themselves and come back. I recorded all that in. Now, if you got good fingering, you're good. You know what I'm saying? You can take it in and bring it out perfectly. Make it sound dope. I watched the numbers on the top. When you get to the bars, it was like 24, 18, 16, 24, and then the hook come in. All the buttons lit up. You go out, record it on overdub on that same track that you created for the sequence, on the blank sequence from the sequence section, the song section, put it like that, and it'll play back a whole song. Also, I gotta do this rhyme to it. The only thing I learned from rhyming to it is it's like a one-shot deal. Like you rhyme, you mess up, I go back and erase whatever. But it's not as easy as fixing it up when you're doing it on a computer. But you can do it. I've done it with the hook and everything. Let's do about 2 or 3 tracks. Just come in, erase something, and come in, punch in at that right number. But nothing like doing it on a computer. But if you had to do everything in here, I'm saying, you can do it. I'm gonna come back doing the key group thing, because you can take any kind of sound, make your own sounds up. It's so dope. Man, put reverb and all that on and make your own keyboard sounds up. Oh my goodness, this thing is endless. But the drum machines could do it too, but just having the keys and being an endless, it's a difference. You know what I'm saying? The keys is needed, because when you do any kind of key group stuff and you got keys to play, oh my goodness. You can do it with the pads, but I'm telling you, if you're a person that like to work with keys, keyboard keys, and it's all in one, oh come on. They made this first, I'd have been straight. I would have never bought the 1 or the 2 or the 61. I'd be like, nah, you can keep all that. I got this little nice one right here. I can do everything right here. You know what I mean? That's how I'm talking about. But that's the video. But I'm gonna make another one. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I hope my homegirl get some more subscribers. I'll put some more of these videos through her channel for her. You know what I'm saying? Cause she cool to let me put these videos on her channel so I can show her stuff. She got drum machines and all that too, man. She gonna be doing her own thing, but she doing the other stuff right now. But I just wanted her to see my thing. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's dope. Peace.